So fusion means joining lighter nuclei together to create heavier nuclei, e.g. hydrogen to helium. And that's the most common one because that's what's taking place in stars. And the key idea, once again, just like fission, that these reactions release energy, which we can use to heat water, produce steam, turn turbines, generate electricity, for instance. But fusion requires very high temperatures to overcome the repulsion of the positive nuclei. That word repulsion just means repelling, pushing away from each other. Gases become a charged plasma at these temperatures. Right? They cannot be stored in traditional containers which would melt. So instead we have to contain them using magnetic fields or light, more specifically lasers. So the first one's called magnetic containment, the second one is known as inertial containment. It's just two different methods of holding these plasmas in place. And then the last one is just, how do we generate electricity from this? Well, it's just the exact same as coal, gas, oil, nuclear. Right, the fission. So the heat generated by the fusion reactions can be used to turn water into steam. As steam turns turbines which are connected to generators to produce electricity.